Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Faizi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to talk on synthesis of aspirin. This experiment is very common for BSc students. So in this video, we will learn first about the reactions of aspirin, then we will learn about mechanism of this reaction. Then I will show you how you will write this practical in your lab notebook. So let us start with the reactions. You can see this compound is salicylic acid. Two functional groups present here, OH and COOH. So, and both functional group contains hydrogens. And you have to understand this concept. Where is the acylations occurs? In acetic anhydride and in acidic medium, presence of conc sulfuric acid, this compound aspirin is formed. So what is the difference from here to here? The convergence of salicylic acid and oxygen hydrogen bond here break and forming oxygen carbon bond. This is the beauty of this reaction. And this is, CH3CO acyl group. And this compound is known as aspirin. Now let us see the mechanism. Protonations occurs on these oxygens and it is under dynamic conditions, not resonance. You know, resonance and dynamic is different. Now this form, this oxygens, not this center, approach on this carbon and shifting of carbon, oxygen double bond on oxygens, and then carbon oxygen bond will break and formation of carbon double bond oxygens forming this product, and then deprotonations, and this is after deprotonations you have this compound which is known as aspirin. Now how you will write this experiment and how you will perform this experiment in the laboratory. So title of this experiment, synthesis or preparation of aspirin. The aim of this experiment to prepare aspirin by O-acylations. What is the principle? Salicylic acid. Have you seen salicylic acid? Already seen. Salicylic acid undergoes acetylation with acetic anhydride selectively at the weakly acidic groups, phenolic group, into a strongly acidic group in the presence of conc sulfuric acid as a catalyst. This point is very important. Weakly acidic groups, phenolic groups into a strongly acidic groups. So this is your basic concept. You should remember or you make your concept clear. The reaction is electrophilic substitution reaction or O-acetylation or O-acylation. You need chemicals and that chemical is known as salicylic acid, 2 grams, acetic anhydride 2.8 milliliter, concentrated sulfuric acid 2 to 3 drops, and you need apparatus conical flask on glass rod. What is the procedure? Weigh about 2 grams of salicylic acid and transfer into a clean conical flask and add 2.8 milliliter of acetic anhydride and stir it with a glass rod and add 2 to 3 drops of concentrated sulfuric acid and stir the mixture and warm on water bath to about 50 to 60 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Allow the mixture to cool and add about 50 milliliter of water. Stir well and filter at the pump. I would suggest all this experiment you cannot try at home. This is the laboratory procedure. So always you have to perform your synthesis, your experiment in chemistry lab in the presence of a few people. Then what you need to do? You do recrystallization, solvent equal amounts of acetic acid and water, and check the melting point. Its melting point should be 130 degrees Celsius. This is the literature value. So my friends, I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.